For millions of years, Earth's climate has been the quiet architect of life, guiding the seasons, shaping landscapes, and sustaining the delicate balance in which all living things depend. Yet in the short span of human history, we have begun to change that climate, at a pace far beyond anything in the record of human civilization. The signs are everywhere, in our skies, our oceans, and the very ice at the poles. The reason is simple. As we burn coal, oil and gas, or clear vast forests, we release greenhouse gases, mostly carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket around our planet, trapping infrared radiation that would otherwise escape into space. For centuries, this blanket remained stable, supporting a balanced and thriving ecosystem. But in just a few human generations, we have thickened it, in rates far beyond anything our planet has experienced in recent history, forcing it to store more heat than it releases. This extra energy drives changes across the entire climate system. The oceans absorb most of this excess heat, expanding as they warm and pushing sea levels higher. They also take in a large share of the carbon dioxide we emit, making the water more acidic, a stress that threatens corals, shellfish, and plankton. On land, glaciers and ice sheets are melting at record rates, adding vast amounts of water to the sea. Arctic summer sea ice has shrunk dramatically, exposing dark waters that soak up even more heat. We now see more frequent and intense extreme events. Heat waves last longer and burn hotter, creating conditions for wildfires that sweep across forests and grasslands. Floods and droughts are becoming more frequent and intense. A warmer, wetter world also changes where disease-carrying insects can thrive. These are not distant risks. They are already reshaping how communities live and respond to danger. The science is clear. Our influence is the dominant cause of the changes we see today. Every fraction of a degree matters, and every action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions can slow the pace of change. We are the first generation to fully understand the problem, and perhaps the last, with the power to shape a safer, more stable future for life on Earth.